So the intent of the full stack developer is, so okay, I mean okay, once we have a complete knowledge on okay, Python, what kind of jobs we can apply? We can apply for the full stack development. What do you mean by full stack development? A person okay, who is okay, having knowledge on the three places: front end, back end, and okay, all. So, for example, front end developer means, so they mainly work on the okay, web services, web layer only. The backend means okay, database, and okay, full stack means a person okay, who is having knowledge on application layer, a database layer, and okay, and web layer. All these okay, we can call it as a full stack development. So then backend developer, front end, web development. So the combination of these three, we can call it as this one: machine learning, data science, cloud, AI. There are many more. So since we are going to okay, learn okay, Python, okay, since we already learn about Unix and database. So okay, is a mainly so current market. So if you're having a good amount of knowledge on okay, one of the cloud service, like which are AWS, sorry, okay, which are AWS, GCP, or okay, GCP, okay, and okay, even Azure also, any of cloud. So if you're having a knowledge on okay, any of the cloud, see the cloud, I mean, we can easily learn the cloud, mainly the cloud services. What are the different types of services, how their authentication, authorization. If you just have that high level knowledge, that is fine. So cloud, Python, Unix, and okay, database. So if you are having a good knowledge, even though if you are trying as a fresher, see, okay, as part of our college, okay, and every semester we are going to okay, appear six exams. So okay, minimum okay, each sem we are going to okay, apply. We are learning okay, six subjects, and okay, we are also writing the exams in a span of 1 week only. Also think okay, also consider it as, so I'm going to also prepare for exam. Okay, for kind of okay, what kind of some kind of exam. So learn high level. What is a Python? What is AWS? Okay, what is Unix? What is okay, database? So if you are going to appear all these subjects in your resume, definitely once you get an opportunity, so okay, there are more chances to okay, hire you. There are more chances to okay, hire you. So this work we already discussed it on okay, yesterday. So okay, okay, at a high level, so okay, this is what okay, we have discussed. And okay, even we also okay, learn about okay, what is a Python. So in a simple terminology, so a Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a high level. Okay, what is the meaning of okay, high level? The meaning of the high level is, so okay, I mean the high level means it will okay, abstract the actual code, mission code and all. It will only provide okay, at high level. For example, you want to print something, just print, or you want to okay, do the sum, just a sum, or okay, addition, a subtraction. Okay, we do have very basic keywords. If you remember that keywords, okay, we can able to complete the program. The very simple example of high level means, so for example, if you take a Dolo tablet, we don't know that okay, what exact medicine okay, they are going to okay, add. So in a strip, they might mention that. So they are going to add okay, so much of some chemical terminology. Even you don't know that. But what you know, whenever you get a fever, you will go and okay, get some medicines. So if at all not reducing, then only you will go for okay, consultation, right? That this is called the high level. Okay, we don't know the medicine behind on it, but so if you are taking the tablet, you know that okay, this tablet will help you to clear your okay, fever, some sort of level. So directly you will go to medical shop and will bring it. That is called the high level, which means high level in the sense like we are going to abstract the actual code only at okay, only at high level. Okay, I mean we can able to easily okay, learn and okay, we can proceed on it. That is called the high level. Then interpreted programming language means, the interpreted means it's a kind of okay, it's a kind of, for example, okay, if you take your okay, WhatsApp, okay, let's example of a WhatsApp. In a WhatsApp, whenever you are okay, chatting your friend, so the moment when you press hi, immediately from your friend you will get okay, hello. Then okay, you are saying that okay, I'm going to okay, so and so place. Then immediately this guy will say that yeah, okay, this guy, I mean people who are online, I'm talking about. So the people, which means that okay, for every of okay, your statement, you are going to get the reply. So similarly, that is called the interpretation. That is called the interpretation. Interpretation in the sense like, so if you are writing a bunch of lines of a program, if your program contains 100 lines, so once we execute the line one, so you are going to, whenever you execute this program, first you will execute the line one. If line one is completely good, then it will go to the line two. So if the line two is not okay good, the entire program it won't proceed further. So the okay, line two, you have to fix the line two. Then okay, it will also provide you the some okay, it will also provide you the for example, if your line two is having some okay issue, it clearly says that, so boss, this is the problem, and okay, clear error message it will display. Based on that error message, okay, you can okay, search in Google, or okay, you can search in ChatGPT, wherever it is, so that okay, we can able to correct your code. That is called the interpretation. That is the meaning of the so interpretation. So okay, okay, then the main motto of the Python is, so write less, okay, do more. So for example, if you are just executing 10 plus 20, you are going to get the output as okay 30. Whereas okay, which okay, we don't know that okay, logic okay behind. We don't know what is the logic okay plus symbol okay does. Okay, even in computer terminology, we don't know okay where they have okay, where they have okay, associated. That is called the, so write less and okay do more. So okay, I mean it's basically speak less and okay do more activities, right? It's a kind of okay same okay principle. So as we discussed about okay, it is a so interpreted language in the sense like, so as I said, interpretation, the examples are Python, JavaScript, and Unix, okay, and even shell scripting. All these are the interpretation okay, languages. All these are the interpretation. So line by line, okay, it executes entire okay, code. So it executes line by line instead of converting entire code into the mission code. So easy to debug and fix because you know that line by line, and okay, slower performance. Why do we the slower performance? So you are having 100 lines of the code. The 100 lines of the code, okay, whenever you run now 942, okay, then it's completed 10 seconds. Again you are going to run. Again your program will execute line by line. Again program will execute the line by line. So for this execution, it okay, spends some amount of time. That is the okay problem. So that's why it is a slower performance. Not okay. I mean comparatively, so when it comes to the compiled languages, the examples of compiled languages are C, C++, .NET maybe. So okay, here what it does. So okay, in the compilation means whenever you write a program, you might have seen it on whenever you are okay, any MCA or okay, MBA first year, I mean MCA or BTech, CSE or IT, IT groups. We will write a program. After writing a program, so you want to print some name. We'll mention hash include okay, .sh main.sh, will print will define some variable and we will write something, right? Whereas okay, then after that you select the code and right click and compile, right click and compile. So once you compile it, it will, what it does means, so compiler is a third party program again. Compiler is a third party program okay again. So what it does, it will try to convert your code into the mission language format, and it will give it, it will evaluate with the mission. If there are any issues, okay, then if there are no issues, then later onwards okay, we can make use of it. Whereas okay, if you go with okay, later onwards, you can okay, you can use on it. When it comes with okay, this compiled okay, language, so it compiles only one time, then we can make use of okay, multiple times. Because of that, the performance is faster. But in case if you are getting any issues later, the debugging it takes some time. Debugging, fixing the error is okay, difficult, not difficult, so we need to spend okay, some time. So as I told you that okay, what are the different okay, when we are going to use that okay, Python. So as I said that, so we are going to okay, use the, we are going to okay, use okay, Python on many places. We are going to use the Python on so many places. What are all the places we are going to use? Search engines. So for example, okay, if you are, I mean even chat GPT or okay, any, if you take okay, Grok, any search engines are using Python only okay, to get the okay, data. And okay, even social media, for example, if you take that okay, YouTube, complete YouTube okay, runs on okay, Python, I mean majority of things, or Instagram okay, then even Facebook. So all the okay, even okay, there are okay, many, right? um, all of them are like using Python only. So e-commerce, automation, AI assistant, many places okay, we are going to, so many places okay, we are going to okay, use this okay, Python. Many places we are going to use this Python for our day-to-day operations. Even banking sector, finance sector, I mean every places we are using this Python. So as I said that okay, the job opportunities we have already discussed. We can go with either front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack, software developer, automation, ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud engineer, cyber security engineer, game developer. We can try whoever is having the opportunities. So because majority of organizations are using Python as a programming language. So if you are having a good knowledge at Python, so there are many chances for you to hire. There are many chances to get the job. It's not only for a job purpose. So if you're having any requirement, you can also develop your own program. So I mean, if you take any organization, it is a thought of one person. He implemented. So even if you're having an interest of writing the code on your own, or assume that you want to start your own business. So even we can also do that. So nowadays we can easily start it because of this cloud, because of this latest features. I mean earlier days it's difficult. So if you want to maintain if you want to develop a code and execute or maintenance, nowadays it's very easy. Nowadays it is very easy to perform the things. So the advantages we learn and disadvantages also we learn, and we learn it on yesterday. The advantages are easy to learn. So as I told you that, so whenever you are going to write a program, you can easily while seeing the program, we need to you need to we can easily understand it. Okay, where it is, what is the functionality and all. So large community support, which means that there are many persons, since it is going to use by many persons. Okay, then whenever you encounter any issues, if you post your issue on any other community channel, automatically people will respond to you stating that, hey, this is the issue. Okay, this is the solution. This is the issue. This is the solution. Okay, we'll get it. And okay, we'll also get the other one is cross platform. So okay, once you develop a code, we can run it on either Windows or Mac or Linux, wherever it is. Okay, it runs on any wherever. If you are having a Linux, we can download the Python and we can make use of it. If it is a Windows, same. Mac also same. Anything we can able to run it. So rich libraries for artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, gaming. There are lots of inbuilt features. If you take it as a machine learning or AML, we are having a pandas, numpy. There are few more libraries. If you are having a good knowledge on all those libraries, then we can able to apply as we can able to apply we can able to apply for AIML engineer as well. Nothing difficult. And then quickly we can able deliver the projects, since majority of the code is already already. So majority assume that very simple. You want to start a new business. I mean assume that you want to you want to start a new business. So for that you want to develop a website. So in order to develop a website, you need not to write the entire code from beginning. So beginning to ending, compilation and all. If you go with a Python, so for website design, there is already a one library. You just download the library. You just make your changes. Make changes in the sense like what is your company name. So I mean all of them you just make a little bit changes and we can able to run it. So you just you just log into AWS and take one EC2 instance, copy your code, and we can able to we can able to deploy and we can able to run it. It's a matter of one day. So if it is a more intellectual person, it's a matter of 5 to 6 hours, nothing much. Then for example you want to add so for example assume that, so now you want to your business is a kind of grocery business, or your business is a kind of you are going to sell some products in our online. So for product catalog management, you need not to write a code for entire thing. So then simply what we can do is we can able to download some library and we can make use of it. And similarly now you want to integrate with the API gateway. So you want to integrate with so one of the I mean for example eventually whenever you are purchasing the product, you need to integrate with API, right? For that API also you need not to write the entire program from beginning to end. Just download the specific features and integrate to your code and we can make use of it. So I mean earlier days it's a different, it's a difficult. Nowadays we can able to easily do that. If you don't know how to do that, if you just go to ChatGPT and type that this is my requirement, you will get clear instructions how what to do. Okay, if you are able to read the English and we can able to understand the English properly, okay, the statements and all, we can able to proceed it, and okay, we can able to okay, proceed it. And the one more feature in ChatGPT is, if you are not able to understand in English, you just ask that I need about text and okay, highlights on okay, your local language, that will also be provided. So technology is evolving like anything. So technology is okay, evolving like okay, anything. So those are the okay, okay, major advantages. The okay, disadvantages are we already okay, discussed. So okay, this we already discussed about okay, future scope of Python. So okay, I mean, as I told you that machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So now, right now, okay, we are everyone is calling as AI, AI. So for the AI, the base is Python only. That is the reason okay, we are going to okay, learn now. So in future, Python is having a good okay, market, and okay, data science, and okay, even cyber security, okay, even ethical hacking, automations, cloud computing, and IoT, robotics. Majority of the places we are going to use the okay, Python. That's why we are going to learn Python. Okay, we are going to learn Python. So I hope it's clear. So yesterday also I told the same thing, but okay, now okay, I'm going to. I just want to okay, reiterate it. So I okay, explained about okay, about okay, these features. So I hope it's clear for okay, everyone. Any doubts on okay, any doubts still? So as part of okay, today's class, what we are going to learn is, so the history of the Python. So what is the okay, history of the Python? So different okay, versions of Python, and okay, the features of Python. Okay, how to install the okay, Python. So those kind of okay, topics we are going to okay, cover it on okay, today. So as you know that okay, earlier we learned Unix. We clearly learned that. So the okay, the founders of Unix are Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. They developed on okay, AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1960. They have invented on it. So at least you should know, right? Okay, who is the okay, 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 authors of programming language you are going to learn. So now also when it comes with Python, so Python is okay, developed in okay, 19 okay, 80s. So 1980s, a Dutch programmer, his name is Guido van Rossum. One okay, Rossum, he developed a one program. So the okay, the main intent of okay, the main intent of okay, this guy okay, the main intent of okay, this person Guido van Rossum is, so during that time 1980s we are already having a C, we are already having okay, C, C++, and other programming languages are also available. Now he decided that I need to develop a new programming language which should be as similar as okay, English. So the way how you are going to okay, speak in English now, he want to develop a new okay, programming language as similar as that, and okay, with rich features as well. Okay, with rich features. So he decided that he want to okay, develop okay, such kind of programming language. So he started okay, developing on it. So in 1980s, the Dutch programmer, the Guido van Rossum, he developed a program, and after develop okay, where he developed it on Netherlands. At Netherlands, where CW, Centrium, Viskendi and Informatica, this is a kind of okay, place. So okay, Netherlands, okay, this kind of organization institution, education institutes. So where okay, he developed okay, where okay, he developed okay, this program. After developing this program, he want to give a name. So okay, you want to give a okay, name. So okay, I mean, whenever you develop any program, for example, once we born, so then definitely they will I mean, our parents will keep some name, right? So anything we are going to keep some name. Similarly, so even okay, this guy also okay, wants to okay, this guy also okay, wants to okay, this guy also wants to okay, give some name, okay, name okay, for their okay, for that program. So his program is a vast. So his program okay, I mean, he developed a program, and okay, for his program he want to okay, he want to give a name. For example, if you take the Hadoop, okay, for that okay, Hadoop okay, the icon and everything. So whoever is developed that okay Hadoop, okay, there is a history of okay for Hadoop also. Similarly for Python also in 1980, this is the guy okay he developed. He is a Dutch programmer in Netherlands. Okay, 1989. So 1989 okay 1980s he started okay thinking that he want to develop a program. It took around okay 9 years of time. So in 1989, so this guy has okay introduced a program as similar as okay see okay, as similar as so English. Now he want to okay provide a name. So while thinking, so in the same UK during that time, so during that time there is a one comedy show. There is a one comedy show. Okay, Monty Python. For example, if you go and okay search in search in okay, search it on okay Chrome, so you will come to know that what is a Monty Python is a kind of okay circus. So okay, Monty Python and okay Harry Grail. So I mean, so this is a kind of okay Monty Python. So okay, this is a kind of okay comedy show. This is a kind of okay comedy show. So okay, he is a fan of this comedy show. So from this comedy show, okay, he took this name. So Python and the same name he has okay give okay he applied it to that okay applied this program and okay he told that I have developed a new program and the program name is okay Python. So the program name is Python. So in simply okay two things you need to remember. The founder of okay Python is Guido van okay Rossum. Guido van Rossum when it is introduced 1989 where Netherlands. So okay how the name I mean so the story behind on the name is because he is a fan of okay one of the famous comedy show in UK, that is Monty Python. So okay he took that he took that okay name okay name of that comedy show and okay he applied it to okay his programming okay his program. These are the two things you need to be okay remember because so okay, whenever you are trying to learn anything you should also know the history, you should also know the so history. So in 1991 the first version of Python is okay introduced when okay that is the version name is 0.9 dot okay 0. This is the first feature okay he introduced. So as part of okay first feature 0.9.0, what are the basic features we're having? We're having a functions, exception handling, data types. So a couple of things okay he introduced. So it is as similar as okay same. If you take our mobile, in our mobile we are having okay we are going to use okay one operating system Android OS. In the Android OS every 2 months or every 3 months okay you used to keep on okay get the updates. Okay, for example, not only for that, simply take that okay Amazon okay, website or okay any of the app. So once in a okay, I mean if you take your mobile, so okay, one fine day morning you will say that 29 updates are available for you, or okay 3 updates are available for you. So okay, do you would like to okay update? What is the meaning of that? There is already a program. So there are two things okay to get the updates. One is there could be some bugs on the existing code that they might have fixed it, or they might have added the new programs okay they might have added the okay new functionalities. In order to make use of those new functionalities we need to update. Similarly, so these guys also, so every I mean okay, I mean 100% of code, 100% of features we cannot able to think it, right? First we will introduce the very basic. So from the basic level by level, so we'll try to okay, add it. Similarly, in 1991 is the first version of the Python. So the version number is 0.9.0, 0.9.0. So in 1994, the Python 1 is released. In 2000, so okay 2 dot okay o is okay released, but okay it doesn't have a backward compatibility okay issues. And 2008 the Python 3.0 is released. Still we are on okay still we are on okay 3.0 only. 3 is the major version. So okay, inside the 3 3.1 3.0.0. So here you need to remember that this is the very minor version, and okay this number indicates the very minor version, this number indicates the okay, subversion, this number indicates the main version. So this version indicates the okay main version. So there are total okay three. The total there are okay three. Total okay three. So if you take any version contains the any version contains okay three numbers. okay, differentiated by the okay dots. So from okay, how do you need to understand this one is, so okay, here which is that left, which is the right, from right to left you need to be read. So the very first number indicates the minor version, then okay, the middle version, okay, the middle number indicates the middle number okay indicates the, so okay, subversion, and okay, this indicates the okay major version, this indicates the so major version number. So here, so in 2008, the Python 3.0 is released, and okay, no backward compatibility with Python 2, but okay, more powerful, which means that, so okay, the problem of okay here is, so once the Python 3 is okay released, you need to rewrite the entire code, because so okay, that is the okay major problem on okay here. So there is no backward compatibility on okay here. So in 2010, Python grows rapidly due to the data science and all. And 2020, Python 2 officially retired, which means that we don't have a Python 2 or Python 1. Right now, we are having only one, okay, Python, that is the Python 3 version. Python, okay, 3 version. So when it is introduced in Python 3 version 2008, we can easily remember okay this number. 1990s, 1991, the first version of Python, which is okay developed by Guido van Rossum at okay Guido van okay Rossum at Netherlands, and okay, at okay CWI Centrium, okay, this is the place. You not remember all these things, but okay, just remember the okay, author of okay Python, and also remember the okay history, the name okay behind on the okay history. Those are the two things you need to be remember. And 2008 is the version which is released on, and 2008 Python 3.0 is okay released. So along with okay normal Python, we're also having a C Python, which is mainly compatible written in C, J Python, so implemented by using the Java, Iron Python implemented by using the .NET, PyPy, so Python implemented in Python itself. So okay, with a just-in-time compiler. So okay, stackless Python, special Python okay flavor without of normal C call stack, micro Python lightweight. There are different types of okay flavors like C Python, J Python, Iron Python. So which means C Python means developed by using the C. J means okay Java. Iron means so okay .NET. So these are the okay different okay flavors okay which are so current okay which are so different okay flavors okay these are the okay different okay flavors. So we can also remember that. So now you can, I mean, basically, okay, the first programming language is initially it was Fortran, COBOL, Pascal. So then they are very okay low level programming languages. So it's very difficult to remember. Then on top of it, C is introduced. So then based on the C only, the Java, C++, all of them okay, introduced, right? So similarly, so by default, the backend source code of okay Python is C only. The Python of okay Python of the backend okay in the backend. So when okay, I mean internally okay it has to, so Python, okay, all the features of the Python, all the, I mean, the actual programming of Python is developed by using, okay, C programming language. So internally, if you're writing some program, print, okay, my name is, okay, Vijay. So that name, so, okay, for you, you are going to render Python. So internally that Python will call that, okay, that entire, so the print function is, okay, designed by using the, okay, C programming language. So by default, C is the most powerful programming language. So that is the main. So so you can say that. So Python is okay, okay mainly okay built by using okay C programming okay C language. So that is the okay. I mean we do have a C Python, J Python, and okay Iron Python and all. But you just remember that by default okay, we always use the C Python or is equals to normal Python. C Python is okay even. So okay if I mention okay here Pythons both are okay same. Both are okay same. So the core features are okay mainly okay we already discussed about that okay major okay features of Python. So as I said that, okay, what are the main features of the Python? The first one is easy to use and learn. And okay, easy to use and okay, easy to learn and use. So we can simply, we can, if you are very good, I mean, if you are able to read the statements, and if you are having a capable of okay remembering the statements, we can okay, we can learn okay Python as well. So easy to learn and okay use also. So it is as similar as okay plain text okay English, plain text okay English. So okay, then interpreted language. This we already discussed. Interpreted and interpretation means line by line. So okay, we don't require a third party person to okay execute your program. So Python itself can able to compile, and they can able compile okay your okay compile your program line by line, and okay we can okay execute. So dynamically typed. What do you mean by dynamically typed? So the intent of dynamically typed is if you take okay Java or okay C, so there are variables. You need to define the variables first. For example, okay name is equals to okay varchar 2 of 20. So I'm just telling that. So okay here. So okay name is equals to okay varchar 2 of okay 20. Then after that, whenever you are trying to assign okay name is equals to okay India, name is equals to okay India, then okay name is equals to India, it will consider. Whereas if you mention name is equals to 1 2 3 4, it okay it will take it. Whereas I mean now, so okay for example okay char not varchar, sorry it's my bad. So char of 20, which means that so maximum we can able to store 20 characters, and okay maximum we can store 20 characters. If you are trying to store more than 20, it will okay fail, okay will get exception. Whereas in okay Unix, for example name is equals to okay char of 20, phone number, okay phone number okay number of okay 10, or number of okay 4, or for example if you mention okay date of birth okay date. So now here in a date okay in a date of birth okay variable we can only store the date data types. If you go with okay phone number okay variable, we can only store the phone numbers maximum 4 characters. If you take the name variable, the name variable we can able to okay store maximum 20, that should be characters. Characters can also, even the numbers is number is also character, we can also store the okay numbers, but it should be enclosed in single quotations or double quotations. Single quotations or okay double quotations. So here first we need to explicitly declare the data types of variable, and okay the second one is we should okay use those okay variable. But when it comes with okay Python, you don't require all of this. Directly we can mention, but okay in Python, so in Python okay how it looks like in Python. So directly you just mention, so okay name is equals to okay India. So name is equals to okay India. So if it is a character, keep it on single quotations. Okay, then it will consider that okay name is a variable of string data type. So for example, okay age. So okay okay age. So country code. Okay, country code is equals to 91. Okay, it will say that. So it is a number, and okay date of birth. So for example, if you mention as okay sys date, it will consider that. So okay now it will consider directly. So directly it will consider the date of birth is equals to okay date. So okay now there is no limit also directly India. So we can mention okay India all. I mean there is no limit. We can able to okay define it, and okay here also there is no okay, limitation. So but here, so that is called the dynamically typed. Dynamically typed means, so once we declare it. So once we declare it, for example now you mention name is equals to India. Now it is okay. Here it is a string data type. It is a string data type. Whereas, for example, now if I mention okay, name is equals to again 1 2 3 4, then after executing this, it will consider that okay, now it is a okay, now it is a number data type. Number okay data automatically it will okay convert. Now, if you are mentioning okay, again if you are mentioning okay, name is equals to, if you are mentioning again okay, name is equals to okay, for example okay, sys date, it consider that okay, this is a not data type. So automatically it will okay change the okay data types and okay behavior. If you mention okay, if you mention okay again, name is equals to 10 dot okay 20 dot okay 20, it will consider that okay, this is a okay float data type. So automatically it will okay automatically okay it considers, that is the meaning of dynamically typed. Python detects the type of variable automatically, and there is no restrictions on okay, size as well. The intermediate, so it is a interpreted, okay, easy to learn and okay, high level okay, language. So okay, focus on logic instead of low level okay, low level details like memory management, how the memory management takes, and all those things you need to take care. Python is having a rich features that will only okay take care. And a cross platform, we can able to run okay, Python on okay, any programming language, okay, any flavor of okay, okay, any type of operating system, which is Windows, Linux, Mac, or whichever. Linux also we are having Red Hat, SUSE, Ubuntu, IBM, Sun Solaris. Okay, there are different flavors, right? Everywhere, if you want, wherever you want, you can able to learn it as similar as okay, Java. And okay, it also okay, having a programming features. So okay, object oriented. So what is the meaning of object oriented? So Python also supports the object oriented programming languages, which is classes, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. All these features will support by the okay, support by the Python. So okay, okay, classes, okay, then everything okay, it will supports, okay, I mean everything it will be okay, supports. Also supports the multiple multiple paradigms. What is the meaning of multiple paradigms? So basically, if you go with C, okay, C is a kind of okay, functional programming kind of functions, and okay, Java is a okay, procedure oriented programming language. So okay, okay, when it comes with Python, a Python can support object oriented programming language, or a Python can support a procedural oriented programming language, or Python supports the three types of programming language, okay, three types of okay, programming okay, methods: object oriented, or procedural oriented, or functional oriented. Functional oriented, all of these three okay, it supports. All of these three okay, it will okay, supports. So three types of okay, methods. So okay, it will okay, supports three types of methods it will be okay, support. So when it comes with when it comes with okay, Python, so basically if you go with okay, C, it is a procedure oriented. So okay, procedure oriented, what is the meaning of procedure oriented? Step by step okay, instructions, okay, step by step. So okay, okay, step by step okay, instructions. Whereas if you go with a okay, Java, it is a object oriented programming language. So we need to declare the okay, classes, objects. Okay, first we need to declare a class. Okay, then we need to define objects. So from the class we need to define the object, like that. Okay, we need to do that. Whereas in okay, Python supports both. If you want, we can also, I can also go with either procedure oriented, or I can go with okay, object oriented. Anything okay, I will support. What is the meaning of okay, procedural oriented? Procedural oriented means okay, it's a structure, okay, step by step okay, instruction. That's why I mentioned as a so an order. Whereas object oriented means, so object oriented means okay, objects, based on the objects it will try to work. So we'll have a classes and okay, objects. And a functional okay, functional okay, oriented. So using functions as a main building blocks like Haskell, Scala, also Python supports. So Python supports three programming okay, paradigms. One is okay, C, so one is procedure oriented, function oriented, and okay, program okay, are object oriented. Three types of okay, program styles okay, it supports. Whereas okay, other programming, okay, why it supports? Because Python is built by using a Java, or some of the Python will built on okay, C, Java.NET, right? So that's why, so we can able to okay, I mean if you are having requirement, you want to develop, you want to create a procedure oriented program, you can choose a Java, okay, you can choose it as a Python, or we can go it and okay, C also. Where you want to develop a object oriented programming, you can choose as a Java, or we can also choose Python. So Python is there on three places. Totally there are three. One is function oriented, procedure oriented, and object oriented. So okay, Java, okay, Python supports three types of things. Python supports three types of things. That is the main okay, intent of okay. Also supports the multiple paradigms, which are procedure and functional programming.
3 days ఎప్పుడు నువ్వు నైట్ మార్నింగ్
Can you go on mute, please?
ఇక నైట్ అంతా మనం ఆడే ఉంటాము.
Okay. So these are the object orient, I mean, so Python supports three types of programming methods, which is object oriented, so procedure oriented and structure oriented. And we're also having a extensive standard library. As I said that earlier, in the earlier of today's class, you need not to develop anything from everything from scratch. You just know it. So okay, you just know it. Which one? For example, you should know the capabilities. So you should know the capabilities. So there could be a lots of libraries available in a Python. In a Python, you need to know that. So which module is required for me? Which module is required for me? So it's a best example. So you want to I mean, the best example of this extension library is, if you want to eat, if you want to prepare a biryani, you need not to form you not to form it. Let's take a chicken biryani. You need not to form form chicken, and you need not to farm for rice, and you should not be farm everything, right? What and all you need to do from your side, directly go to market, and in the market, what is your requirement? You want to prepare, so this is the item you want to prepare. Your menu is chicken biryani. For chicken biryani, you need a rice. You will take you will go to first grocery shop. You will take the rice, and along that, along with rice, you also need few more materials. So oil, and oil, some garam, whatever you needed. And then, so then we'll go to shop, and you will take 2 kgs or 3 kgs, and you will go to the you will go to the vegetable shop, and from there you will take it as, so you will you will purchase the chilies, onions and all, right? So here you are not going to farm anything. You are directly going to the market. In a market, why are you going to the market? Market is a place where all these shops will be available. So in market also, there will be different types of shops. So there will be a hardware shop, there will be a electrical shop. There are different type. If you go to a if you go to any marketplace is a, why do we call it as a marketplace? Multiple things are available at one place. That's what we are calling as a marketplace, right? So similarly, here also the same. That is meaning of the extensive standard library. So if you want to prepare something, so you directly go to the market. In a market also, so you need to visit three shops. One is grocery shops, one is vegetable shops, and one is chicken shop. You will go to these three places. Obviously, you need money also. So you will purchase all your items. Then once we purchase all these items, we can directly, so we can directly prepare prepare by yourself. Prepare by yourself. So which means that you need not to wait, right? Those many things are those many, I mean, so within 1 or 2 hours we can finish it. Still you are too much of lazy, we can also go to that hotel, and we can eat. That is different story. But that is the meaning of extensive standard library. So even if you want to develop a any particular particular if you are having a requirement, so you just go to that there are lots of libraries. Once you install the Python, you will be having 100 and 200 libraries. So in out of that, what are all you needed for you? What are all the things needed for you? Only download that, and I mean, download that and make use of it. That's it. So that is called the extensive standard library. Now, large community and open source, as we already discussed, since multiple guys are using, so for example, same example, so you want to prepare a biryani, that is a noun dish. Many of the homes are people are preparing. If you don't know that, you will call to any of your friend, he will provide you that recipe. So like the prepare like do this first step one, step two, step three, like that, right? The same here also the same thing. And embeddable and extensible. So Python can be integrated with C, C++, and embedded in other applications as well. So which means that wherever if you develop one place, we can also develop it on make use of some other places. And robust frameworks and libraries. As I said that for data science, we're having three libraries: NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. When you go with a web development, you need to learn about the Django, Flask. If you want to go with automation AML, we need to learn that respective libraries we need to be learn. As I said that. So and remember one thing that, so all these programming languages, everything is developed by the human. So for that, okay, human, he might have taken reference from somewhere. If you think deeply, or if you think at a high level also, you can easily correlate it. So everything is developed by the human, right? So human mind only. So from where he, okay, from where, then we can, if you're unable to remember the concepts, we can easily remember the concepts. For example, so extension standard library. So what is the real-time example? So it's extension library means, now consider Python is a kind of a, our marketplace, and inside the Python, so marketplace and Python. So if you go to the market, multiple shops, multiple places, and here also, even in the advantages of so here also similar as, for example, okay, there are, if you go, there will be three shops are okay, selling only vegetables. In out of that, whichever is best, okay, we'll take it, right? Even Python also we're having a similar kind of thing. There are okay, few libraries. So okay, library 2 is the much powerful than okay, library 1, like that. So you can think and okay, imagine, and okay, you can remember it on. So once you remember it, you will never forget that. You will never forget, even though if you are not having a job or something. So that's why you need to first understand the concept, whatever the concept it is. So whichever the concept we are learning, first understand it. So understand and correlate with correlate with the real time. Correlate with the correlate with any of entity in universe, so that we will never forget about the topic. And the other features are, as I told you, that automatic memory management. So as I tell you that, you need not to think about the memory. So once you run a, once you, I mean, it's as similar as our mind. So in your mind, so for example, today you are going to learn so for example, the best example is, you are appearing for exams, either 4-1, 4-2, or same exams. Today are 10th class exams. Today exam is English. So, okay, from last 2 days, okay, we'll prepare for English. Then next exam is for the maths. We're having a 2 days of gap. Our mind is already filled with all English concepts. What we will do? The moment when you start learning about the maths, some of the weak concepts which we by hearted, automatically they remove it from your mind. So then, your mind will start slowly injecting the mathematics subjects in your mind. So here, the same concept on here also. So whenever you are trying to if you are running a program, as long as program is running, it will hold that memory. If it is over, it will release that memory. Here also the same thing. So now today is English exam. Last 2 days you prepared. That day before, I mean, next 2 days. So today is Tuesday. Then Thursday is the maths exam. So I mean, from today afternoon onwards, you will prepare for maths. Then once we come to home, again after maths, it will be science. Then you will start concentrating on science exam, right? The same way, automatically you are not going to say your mind that remove my old entities. Automatically your mind will be remove it according to your capacity of the mind. So here also, even in Python also having a same feature. So your automatic memory management. So I mean, if you are if you're having a short resources, then automatically it will maintain the memory management. Resource management will be automatic, like our mind. Then GUI support. For example, if you are going to learn about TK Tinner and PyQt, Kiwi, it will help us to develop a desktop applications. For example, you want to develop one desktop application or any web application. We can, if you are having knowledge on this TK Tinner or PyQt, we can do that. And so the last one is strong community support. This we already learn. So these are the major features of Python. So you need to be remember each and every. I mean, you not remember everything. Just if you go for an interview or somewhere, if they ask you that, can you list down few features of Python? You can say that Python is a Python is a interpreted language and high level programming language. So it's also having a I mean, the community support is more. It also having the memory management, and dynamically identified by the variables, and then we can remember a couple of things. And I mean, a rich features are available. It's also support that oops oriented, interpreted. You can tell a number of things, whichever you feel it. Those are the major advantage, major features. Line bill and this we discuss. Okay, even it also support the databases and GUI also. So okay, I mean portable, scalable, integrated. So okay, even free and open source. These are the different features of Unix. Top 15 features are easy to write, easy to understand, object oriented, robust standard libraries, and supports various programming paradigm. What is a paradigm? The definition of the paradigm is in a programming, paradigm refers to the style of approach, style or approach of writing the programs, like which are object oriented, procedural oriented, or functional oriented, interactive, automatic, garbage collection, or automatic, resource, resource management. So when it comes with the system, memory, core, and hard disk. These three we call it as a resources. I mean, whenever you go to a shop or laptop, first what you will ask, hey, how much is the memory, and how much is the, first you'll ask what is the capacity. In the capacity also you'll ask that whether it's a HDD or SDD. So HDD, SDD is the faster. Then memory, how much memory? 8 GB, either 8 GB or 16 GB, 4 GB. Then you will ask how many cores are there. Then if we are going for a gaming, so a couple of gaming things you will ask. Those three we call it the resources. Those resources are managed automatically in Python. That is the one thing. And then so in human body, if you want to correlate it, so hands are nothing but cores. Cores, 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 or your mind. Human mind is as similar as memory. Use or memory, and notebooks are similar as hard disk. That we can able to correlate it. So GUI, extensible, scalable, portable. Portable in the sense like portability. So you develop somewhere and you can run it on here. So these are the different features we are having. So portable means we have written a Python program in Windows. It can run on write once and run anywhere. Scalable means Python application for 100 users working properly. So 1000 users also same performance. 10,000 users also same performance, which means that the only thing is you need the same program can able to survive for 100 users, 1000 users, and 10,000 users, 1 lakh users. But only what are the things you needed? You need the sufficient sufficient resources, resources. Then integrated. What is the meaning of integrated? Python program plus C program can be possible, which means that we can also integrate our C program in a Python program or shell program or a Java program. Anywhere you can able to integrate. So which means that there are there are, whenever you're developing a code, while developing a code, few can be achieved with only with C, or few can be achieved with Python. So both can be combined and we can make use of it. There is no harm on that. That is the meaning of integrated. The free and open source, obviously it is free also. So where can we download that Python? So this is the place where we can able to download the Python. So python.org. So here, so we'll get this symbol. Click on the downloads. So download for Windows. Click on this Python. Just that's it. So now go to this website, and go to website. Just click on this one. So just click on this one. In a fraction of minutes, it will be download. Now so install now. If you want, we can also go with the custom initialization, or use that or if you want to go with custom initialization. So optional features next. So install. So which location you want to install? So automatically. So if you want to, I forgot to select that. What different version? That's fine. somewhere okay, by default the programs are installed in C only, right? That you also okay, that. So okay, installing Python is as similar as okay, okay, as similar as okay, opening your mobile. So okay, the moment okay, if you want to okay open your mobile, you press the fingerprint or same thing, right? Here also just log into that website or okay, just download it. Very quickly we can able to okay download it. After downloading, just press it. So automatically it will okay install. So once the Python is installed, then you need to okay then okay you need to do the okay practice. Then you need to do the okay practice. So after successful installation, so okay, I mean I will show you that. So now that Python is okay installed, now it is okay installing that okay PAP. So okay now bootstrap. So it takes okay 1 or 2 minutes of time. Then Python will be okay installed. Once the Python is installed, then how do we okay get that okay close? So new to Python, start okay close. That's it. Now, if you want to see that where the Python is installed, just okay refresh. Just click on this okay refresh. Come to here. Now type IDLE. So automatically Python ID okay ID okay LE. So okay we'll okay just type okay IDLE. So okay IDLE. So okay we'll get okay we'll get the Python. So okay for okay IDLE means integrated development okay and okay, learning environment okay is a Python. What is okay if somebody asks what is the IDLE in Python? Integrated development learning environment, which is a facility offering by the Python to learn, practice, or to develop a programs by using a Python. This ideally is okay helpful. This ideally is okay helpful. Just click on it. Just okay click on this. Automatically it opens a okay. I mean if you see this okay Notepad plus plus. Similarly okay we'll see as a Notepad okay plus plus. So notepad okay plus plus. So here you can able to so just okay print okay print double quotation. So okay for example if you execute this one automatically it will show you that okay some okay example also how to write arguments separator end file flush. So simply if you want to write so okay welcome to Python, just type. It will print that. So successfully you learned a Python also. One program also you have developed it. So welcome to Python. So that is that you learned how to install the Python. So I'm repeating one more time. In order to okay, install a Python, just go to okay Google. So okay, just okay Google. Search that okay Python official website. Python official website. Just type Python official website. The very first, or if you don't remember, just okay www dot python so python.org. This is the website. Or you can click on so this one. So okay here, then click on the downloads. Just click on the downloads. Once you click on the downloads, you will get okay download okay Python okay 3.e. So how do we okay download? So okay how to install? So in order to okay, install, so okay how to install? Okay go to so go to okay open. So okay open okay website. Then go to downloads. Then go to downloads and okay select the respective respective. So if you click on okay downloads, so okay we can able to okay, download the latest version of okay Windows. So if you are using for the okay, Unix, Max or OS, we can also okay do that. Just let me take the snipping tool. So I just want to tell you the snipping tool is kind of if you want to take a screenshots, then we can okay use this okay snipping tool. So you will see the okay magic now. So now click on okay here. For example, now click on so okay here. Then automatically okay go to that okay select the respective okay version. So then okay we'll get that okay click on it. So once you click on this, then okay I mean go to downloads. I will also share these notes. Then go to downloads, and double click on, and double click on the double click on the Python file. Double click on the Python. Double click on the downloaded file, and select, and select standard installation. Select standard installation. That's it. And wait for 5 minutes max. 5 minutes max. Then go how to launch. We can launch by using, IDLE. How? Click on go to Windows icon. Windows icon, and type IDLE. That's it, IDLE. What is the IDLE? Integrated development
Development
and learning.
learning environment.
Integrated development and learning environment. Environment which offers Python to develop programs. Just take this spelling mistake. Integrated. That's it. These are the ways to install the it's very simple. So how to install, and launch, and launch the Python, and launch the Python. It's very simple, and do that. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue. So we'll continue the differences and others. Then we'll also proceed.